Now, there's definitely going to be some people that will poke a hole right through my theory, but you know, off the top of my head, all of the successful people that come to my mind have some type of background or are still involved in real estate. And it's my opinion that you can't get rich selling things. You can't get rich selling a service. You can't get rich gambling. You can get rich, however, by selling people time. Okay? And that's exactly what I do with my rental properties. That's exactly what all of Nexus's property owners are doing. They're selling their time. Better yet, renting their time. And that's where you can make the money, because you don't have to be in each apartment or each property, each storefront that you own. You have to make sure they're taken care of. You have to adhere to your tenants' concerns, but you don't physically have to be there. And that's the detriment to a lot of people that could be successful. They spread themselves too thin physically. So they try and open up 3-4 restaurants or 3-4 stores and bounce around to all of them themselves. It just doesn't work, and you get capped out. So you need to consider, highly consider, investing in some type of real estate. It's passive income that's going to take you places beyond you. So even when I die, my properties will still be paying me. They'll pay my estate, my wife, my children that I ever had. I don't have any children, but who knows? The point is, it keeps going. And what other job, what other career will keep paying you truthfully and legally when that happens? That just shows you how strong it is. So if you're considering anything, if you want to be a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, a billionaire, you need to have tangible assets. They will appreciate over time. The passive income, the leverage, the equity, the lending power, on and on. And no disrespect to other industries, there are plenty of people that are successful in their own way, but they're not going to beat me long term, and they're not going to beat you long term. So once again, folks, Greg here in the land of homes, Springfield, Massachusetts, your property managed.